Welcome. If you've ever wanted to clear your browsing history from just the last month in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to free up space, protect your privacy, or just tidy up your digital footprint, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open the menu. Next, from the menu that appears, find and tap on History. This will bring up a list of all the websites you've visited recently. At the top of this page, you'll see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Tap on that to continue. Now, you're looking at a new window where you can decide exactly what you want to clear. Make sure the box next to Browsing History is checked. If you want, you can also select other types of data like cookies or cached images. But for now, let's focus on your browsing history. Here's the important part. Look for the time range option. Tap on it, and you'll see several choices, like last hour, last 24 hours, and so on. For this tutorial, choose last 4 weeks. This will make sure only the history from the past month gets deleted, leaving everything else untouched. Once you've selected last 4 weeks, double-check that browsing history is still checked. When you're ready, tap the Clear Data button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Chrome will remove your browsing history from the last month, helping you keep things private and organized. Remember, clearing your history can also make some websites load a bit slower the next time you visit, since Chrome will have to reload everything from scratch. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.